So you have a Fitbit Inspire 2 or the HR and you're on the hike here. Click on hike, you click on play or start, and basically it records all your stats, okay, your heart rate and all that, except it does not record your miles, basically your distance, nor your pace or your pace average, okay? Let me get you up and running right now. So the first thing is this, okay? Go ahead and go to your phone or wherever your app is installed on a tablet or iPad. I mean, whatever, okay? Just go to wherever it's installed, the app. And then we're going to go ahead and open up Fitbit. Top left-hand side, your photo avatar. Let's tap on that right there. And then mine's an Inspire too, okay? So go down here where yours says your Inspire. Then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom and we are going to remove this Inspire. So let's go ahead and remove this Inspire. Okay, great. Now we just basically disconnected your Inspire to the Fitbit app. Now let's reconnect it, or basically pair or resync it. So again, top left hand side, the avatar right there, tap on that, and now we're going to tap on set up a device. So we're going to go right there and then find your Inspire 2 or your Inspire HR. Inspire HR is right there. I have an Inspire 2 is right here. Let's tap on that. And now we're going to set it up. So tap on setup, just scroll up so that we can go ahead and accept right here. Let's tap on that. Now it says let it charge here, but it can work without the charger as well. So I have plenty of battery juice, so I probably don't need a charger on here. If I do, then I'll use a charger, but let me just try it like this. So without the charger. So I'm going to click on next here, searching, and the watch is near me. Let's give it 1 second. Oh, there it is, found it. Gives me a 4-digit code, 2782 2782. I'll put it in here automatically. It's going to try to connect to my Fitbit Inspire here. Just wait, I just felt it vibrate. Okay, now we are connected again, and now all this here, you can go ahead and just bypass this. It's just a tutorial telling you how to use the watch. Just keep clicking next, and then click on finish, and then click on the close that out. Okay, there you go. So we're done with that part. Now we got to make sure the GPS is on. Okay, so go ahead and bring your clock face up. Bring your clock face up like this, and now we want to go ahead and scroll down until we see settings. Okay, keep going down, no, down, 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 and there's settings right there. Let's tap on settings, and now let's scroll down, and the second one, it says phone GPS. Make sure this is on. If it's off, make sure it's on, okay? Now we got this. Now, the thing is, because we disconnected and then reconnected our Fitbit, our hike exercise app is the shortcut exercise app hike is not on here. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back on there. So we're gonna go back to the Fitbit app. So where's my Fitbit app? There it is. And then from here, top left hand side, tap on the avatar again, and we need to go to exercise shortcuts. So then tap on your Inspire, and then we're going to go down and we see exercise shortcuts. So let's tap on that. And now the max that you can have in here is 6. Okay, so they already have 6 in here, so I can't add an exercise shortcut, so I have to delete one of them. Let me go and delete this interval workout. Let me just swipe over like that, tap on delete, and then exercise shortcut. Let's go and add one, which is going to be hike. Tap on hike. There it is. Now just tap on today and just sync it now. Just bring it down and wait for it to sync. Syncing. Okay, there we go. Now the next thing we have to do is in regards to location services, it has to be always on, okay? So first thing is let's go to your settings here. This is an iPhone here. If you have an Android, you still need to go to location services, okay? Anyway, for the iPhone, we're going to go to settings. And then from settings, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down until we see privacy right here. Let's tap on privacy. And then location services right here. So let's tap on that. Make sure that location services is toggled on. Now go down here and everything's in alphabetical order. We want to look for Fitbit. There's my Fitbit right there. And you can see it says always. That's what you want. So let's tap on that. Make sure that you have it on always, okay? Do not, if you have it on while using the app, change it to always, okay? And once you do that, Now the last thing we want to do just before you go out to a hike, let's just go to the Bluetooth settings and let's confirm that it's connected, okay? So let's just go to your settings, and we're going to go to Bluetooth here. My Bluetooth is on, and then let's look for my Inspire 2, and it does say connected, okay? So you're good to go, but let me just check to make sure the hike is back in here. Let's see, exercise, and hike should be the last one. That's where we put it. There's hike right there, okay? Questions, issues, comment below. Good luck.